Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients. 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon pesto, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoons salt, and a pinch of black pepper. Crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk briskly until yolks and whites are combined and slightly frothy. Add 1 tablespoon pesto and whisk again so the herb and garlic flavor blends evenly. Season with 1/2 teaspoons salt and a pinch of black pepper. Optional. Fold in 1 tablespoon grated Parmesan or 1/4 cup chopped basil for a richer, herb-forward mixture. To make pesto scrambled eggs, heat a non-stick skillet over medium-low and add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Pour in the egg mixture and let set for 10 to 15 seconds, then stir gently, cooking about 90 seconds until soft and creamy. For fried-style pesto eggs, heat 1 tablespoon olive oil in a skillet over medium, pour the mixture carefully, and cook 2 to 3 minutes until whites set and edges crisp. For baked pesto eggs, pour into a greased ramekin and bake 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees F until set but still slightly jiggly. Serve pesto eggs immediately. Spoon onto 2 slices of toasted bread, drizzle with 1 teaspoon olive oil, and finish with extra cracked black pepper or a small dollop of pesto. For a heartier plate, add 1/4 cup halved cherry tomatoes, 1/2 avocado sliced, or 2 tablespoons toasted pine nuts for crunch. Store any leftover cooked pesto eggs covered in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, and reheat gently in a skillet over low heat to avoid overcooking. For make ahead, mix eggs and pesto, refrigerate up to 24 hours before cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.